Come test drive the 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, driver and front passenger heated seats, heated front seats, CD player. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.